Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm just going to play a little Sky High. I got this idea from Julian too. So credit idea goes to him. Sorry. Okay, so I made a blog. It's called, the URL is animaljamscammerpolice.blogspot.com. It's basically catching scammers. It's kind of like Firefighter X's blog. See if we can get a rare, maybe a non-member sword. That'll be awesome. So anyways, I'm so glad it's summertime. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. It's just crazy. Because the start of summer, I've been like going to the beach and stuff, you know. Which is, you know, normal first days of summer stuff. I love the Sky High music. It's nice. I just don't like it in my den for some reason. I don't know why. I usually have a hard time picking out den music. They always get me on that. I like the Diamond Shop music. I'm just not a big fan of the Diamond Shop, so I'm like, I don't really want to express that in den. So I had decided to not do that. I usually do Winter's Dance. That's my main one, but sometimes Chillin' Out, which is available at the Penguins Only Party, and Winter's Dance is available at I believe it was at the Christmas party, and also the what's it called? The party at like kind of like Club Geo's. It looks like Club Geo's. Oh, I forgot what it's called. I don't go to lots of parties anymore on the parties list, except for the Adventures one, and I like the Adventures one. That's nice. Which is not really a party, but it's on the parties list, so I guess it is a party. No. Actually, I don't really want to play it anymore. Let's play Best Fast. Okay. I think the more dogs look so cute on boxes. I love big tails. I want them so bad. I wear that on my fox a lot. I love that. We look Arctic hood. I still want one of those and one of those. I want like everything. I like those. I usually wear them on my fox too. These look so cute. One boxes for box hats. It's such a shame that they came out. I love these. These were one of my first rare items, and I will never recycle it. I love it so much. I love one. Oh, and beer too. I want everything. I used to have that, but then I traded it. I don't know. I don't think they will, because, you know, jammers have been kind of mad, and AJHQ knows that, oh, I wear this on my phone. I don't know how he has the same colors that I. Oops, long time ago. Dress up the most like a firefighter. Okay. I have never seen one of those. Whoa, wait, I need to take a picture of this. save that later. That is so weird. Oh, I guess that was firefighters. I don't think firefighters were pets. Weird. Such a limited amount of resources. I wouldn't oh my god, seriously, oh my gosh. Wings, I'll just wear wings. Oh, I'll just wear that, yeah. Oh, I should have wore the samurai swords. I don't know how to say that. Whatever. Okay, let's go. I'm supposed to be wearing a sword here. Glitchy. Here, I don't want to wait that whole time. Okay, I don't look. Wait, where am I? What the heck? Okay, what the heck? Huh? Oh, there I am. Okay, why did it skip all that? Oh, I got second. I didn't look like... I did vote, of course. Oh, it wasn't my fault. It was Glitch's fault, so... yeah. You little quiet fox, little cute fox. Yeah, you're probably a little quiet. I don't think I've ever been there before. Happy... I'll wear that, and then I'll be all yellow. Happy and yellow and happy and yellow. Nah, that looks really weird. I can't do that. And then I could wear like that, and yeah, I guess that looks kind of happy. Like that. Okay. You might not be able to hear me, but that's okay because it's okay. I want to make a part 2 to this. It's getting kind of long, but I love doing it. Okay, so let's see. Who looks happy? I'm very happy. Oh, I need to vote. Here. Take the vote. You look kind of happy. But, no. Ooh, I got first. Yay. I guess I look really happy. I don't know. Maybe it's like I don't know. Whatever. That's usually what blinds is happening. They just like go look so they vote for you. Dress up the cleanest. How do you do that? I have no idea. Oh, okay. I won't put on my lightning thingies. I just won't wear anything. I'll wear that. That looks cute. I'm getting carried away. Oh, I cannot wear it. I can. I have to. Okay. I'll just wear that and lower that. I'm just kidding. Scary unicorn horn. How can he... Oh my god, a scary unicorn? That is so weird. I played that. Oh my gosh. It's gonna give me nightmares of a scary unicorn. Who looks the cleanest? Someone that is wearing nothing. Okay, you're kind of cool. Okay, I'll vote for you. This is getting long, but I don't care. I'll make a part 2. Because I love playing this rest. Ooh, I won again. Yeah, I look clean. Very clean. Now, I wish I could type in these things. That's what I always wanted to. I'm like, thank you. And like, I can explain my look. Like, sometimes for happiest, what I do is I do like all dolled up in rares. So it's like I'm happy because I have all these rares. Yeah, so that's what I like to do. Oh, the neatest. Okay. That's the same thing, neatest and cleanest. Seriously. Ooh, that looks nice. That's it. I don't know why I said that. Ooh, that looks really nice. Or should I do that? I like that. Okay. Well, this video is getting pretty long, but I know you guys want to see if I win, so I'll just leave that, and then I'll make a part 2. Unfortunately, I do not have a pro account, so I can't record while it's uploading. So yeah, I'm not a non-member. How could I be? Oh, I see non-member classes. I know the glitch, but I don't really feel like explaining it. I guess I don't know. Okay, so you just have to be a member. Oh, okay, I'll just vote for you. Oh my god. But okay. Oh, I didn't win. No, that's okay. I didn't even get a place. Whatever. Okay, bye guys. I will make a part 2 because I just like doing this, and I'll do other games too because I don't want to just bore you with best dress. So that's pretty much it for best dress. And or if I, okay, bye. Oh my god, I keep getting reeled in, but I can't show you guys. I can't. Okay, so I'm probably going to make a part 2, and that part 2 is gonna have me playing other games. But okay, bye.